Hi guys, and welcome back in another episode of Map Animation. In today's video, we will learn how to make this type of 3D globe animations using Geolayer and without Geolayer in After Effects. Step 1. Create a new composition in Geolayer and select the time around 10 seconds and press next. Here we select Bing Aerial. You can select any map of your choice and press apply. It will take around 1 to 2 seconds to process your request. That's it. The map is available in the program monitor. Adjust this map to its full zoom out coordinates. Now, to convert this flat map to a 3D globe, we are using an effect CC Sphere. Okay guys, select World Map Comp layer and press Ctrl plus spacebar. Here, a pop-up window will appear and you can search for the effect CC Sphere. We first apply this CC Sphere effect on this layer. To make it perfect globe, you have to use these settings. And now, let's move to next step. For animation of this 3D globe, we first apply keyframes on the scale. Move cursor to 4 seconds and installed your end keyframe. Then come back to start and installed another keyframe with 0 scale value. That's it. Now check the scale animation. It's perfect. To smooth this transition, select the keyframes. We apply Easy Ease by pressing F9. Click this graph editor and select Power Speed Graph. Here you can handle the pacing using these handles. I am using this graph, but you can design your own as per your need. You can do this as well by using a free plugin Flow like this. You have number of choices of speed graphs. You can choose any one of them according to your need of pacing. Now close this graph and come back to Geolayer and see how smooth the pacing is. At this level, this is almost perfect for me. Now come to the CC Sphere effect panel and change the light height settings. You made any selection of your choice. For me, 50 is okay. And for shading, you can increase or decrease the ambience. Now move to next step. For rotation, come to rotation panel and add an expression to its Y rotation. While pressing Alt, you click this watch icon and add this expression, time steric 10, and that's it. Now check the behavior of this 3D globe. Its rotation is now perfect. And now guys, to make this 3D globe more realistic, we add a dust overlay effect in the background. Right, we drag this overlay to our timeline and scale it according to our composition. Now check the output. It's almost perfect. I feel this dust overlay has a reddish tone, but you can easily change it by using this tint effect. By selecting this overlay, we apply a tint effect, and that's it. Now it's match the tone. Now, if you want to change the map style, it's very easy and simple in Geolayer. Come to this 3-line icon and then go for setting. In this pop-up window, you have all the available maps. Here you select any map you like. Let's see, we select S3 World Street Map and then press apply. Boom. It's upgrade the overall look and feel of this globe. We then finalize this map. If you feel the brightness of this globe is too much, then after selecting the same layer, come to its effects panel and change its ambience values. Here you play with other settings to achieve your desired results. Now at this level, this is the final output. Now we will learn how to make 3D globe without using Geolayer. First, we will import a map PNG to our timeline. Let's see, we import this map to our timeline by simply drag and drop. Okay, here it is. First of all, we scale this map according to our composition. That's it. Now after selecting the same layer, we apply CC sphere effect on this layer. Now you see the flat map convert into spherical shape. We convert this layer to 3D as well. And same like earlier, to rotate this new universe, we first keyframes its positions. For a spinning, you can also change the Y rotation value, just like early example. Now see the final output. We hope you found this video helpful, and if so, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any query regarding map animation, visual effects and video editing, you can always reach out to us at contacts below.